Welcome to this Pips. Hello, am I audible? So please let me know in the comment section. Am I audible? Forex Genius, good evening, brother. Kids, good evening. Am I audible? Please let me know in the comment section. Who else is watching? Wave, welcome to our stream, brother. Very good evening to you. I hope all of you are doing good. So let's start with today's stream. Thank you for all your likes. So who else is watching? So please let me know in the comment section. Welcome traders. Welcome. Thank you for all your likes. Thank you so much. Welcome to our stream. So let's get started. So today is Monday, 23rd of March. Okay, and today we don't have any news event. Okay, so why market is so volatile? So let's have a look. And from today onwards, we will be executing trades. Okay, so I need your support. Also, our team is ready. Okay, so our team is ready to help you, to serve you. So so we will be providing more accurate analysis now. Okay, so make sure you don't miss any of our stream from today onwards. Anyone else who is watching, so please let me know in the comment section. Welcome everybody. So today we don't have any news event. We had FOMC member speech. Okay, and rest we don't have anything. So tomorrow let's have a look. Tomorrow, so as you can see traders, tomorrow 7:15 p.m. so we have flash manufacturing PMI. Okay, flash services. AN Shots, hello brother, hello, welcome to our stream. Welcome to our stream, brother. A very good evening. I hope you're doing good. I hope your family members are doing good, and I hope you're profitable. Okay, so today we don't have any news event. So let's have a look at the FX Street. Gold recovers to 4400 area as Trump postpones military strikes. Okay, so Trump tweeted. Okay, so Trump tweeted. That's why market is so volatile today. Gold gathered recovery momentum and rose to 4400 area from the fresh 2026 low. It touched at 4100 earlier in the day after US President Donald Trump announced that they will postpone military strikes against Iranian power plants. Okay, so this was the reason. Okay, so you can see traders, one tweet, just one single tweet. You see the market volatility. Okay, you can see the market volatility. This is the daily chart. You can see. Okay, so let's have a look at the market structure. So what's happening with the market structure? Let's have a look. Okay, so earlier we left in this range. Okay, so we left in this range, and I've already told you that market gave us a change of character below. Okay, and here we got a change of character in the 5 minutes, and then again we got a change of character below. Okay, bearish. This is the scenario as of now. So let me first complete the drawings. Okay, and then I'll explain you. So as you can see, we have lower low structures, and what's happening in the 4-hour time frame. So you see traders, this was our bearish swing. Okay, and now the market break past this level in the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so in the 4-hour time frame, market break past this lower low. Okay, so now what are we expecting? So this is our 4-hour swing. Okay, so this is our 4-hour swing, and now after this breakout, okay, after this breakout, what are we expecting? We are expecting a pullback. We are expecting a pullback into the levels, fib levels, and then again a continuation. Okay, so one more thing, in the daily time frame, if you see, okay, so anybody wants me to do this all over once again, so please let me know in the comment section. So we'll start fresh once again. So please let me know in the comment section. And new viewers, please comment. So who else is watching? So please let me know in the comment section. So we will be covering BTC also. Okay, let's have a look at dollar index. So what's happening in the dollar index? No need new. You need new or no need? You need new analysis or no need? So please let me know. So last time I was live, so I've shown you some analysis over here. Okay, so this was the demand area in the monthly time frame. No need. All right, brother. We'll continue as it is. Okay, so you can see traders in the monthly time frame. I'm sorry, in the monthly time frame, I've already marked this level. That was a demand level. Okay, so that was a demand level. Brother, you see, I was working alone. Kumar, Mr. Kumar. Hello, sir. So I was working alone, and it was really hard. Okay, so for me to control everything, so there was no moderator, nothing. Okay, so I was the only one who was working. So basically, I've created a team. Okay, so we are a team now. So my team members will be helping me with the fundamentals and other things. Okay, so altogether, our analysis will be more and more accurate now. So sorry for the inconvenience. I really apologize. Okay, so for this, I've also worked on the strategy. Okay, so where you can compound your money from 5x to 200x. Okay, so within few trades. This is within few trades. So have some patience, brother. So today or tomorrow, maybe tomorrow. So today first we will cover our analysis, and after this stream, maybe I'll upload the strategy video. Okay, so this strategy you'll never find on YouTube. This is an entry technique. Okay, so how you can compound your money to 5x or till 200x. Okay, 5x to 200x. So you can do this compounding even more than 200x if you do it correct way. So you can compound your money more than 200x. Okay, so I was working on this strategy. So brother, I was working for you. Okay, so you can use my strategy entry technique. Okay, I'll explain you, brother. I'll explain you. Okay, so this is the thing going on. AN shorts prop firm. Yeah, brother. Prop firm 5%ers. There were server issues. Okay, so you can check out their Discord. So they were having some server issues. So orders were not getting executed. Stop loss were not getting hit. Stop loss were not getting triggered. So many issues were going on. So that is why I was not trading on prop firm also. Okay, and I've got so many messages that people, they have low capital. So they have low capital like $100, $50. Okay, so some people, they have only $20, $30. So people who are watching us, they have very low capital. So I've come up with the strategy. So how you can compound that lowest capital to 5x to 200x. Okay, so you also don't need any prop firm. So after this compounding, so you can buy the prop firm with profit, with your profits. Okay, in between I have completed the first evaluation in 5% by selling euro USD. Well done, brother. Well done. Well done. Well done. What is the account size, brother? What is your account size? And did you face any issues, brother, Mr. Kumar? So last week, did you face any issues? Stop losses were not getting triggered, and there were a lot of server issues going on with 5%ers. No, no, I have not completed. My is I'm break even. I'm not in profit now. I'm just break even, and I have unlimited time, so I'll take it slow. What is your account size, and did you face any issues last week? Orders were not getting triggered, and the spreads were very high, and also stop losses were not getting triggered. So those who have very low capital, so do you want to continue with our compounding strategy, or do you want me to continue with the prop firm? So please let me know. So many traders, they've they are messaging me like they don't have capital to buy the prop firm. They don't have much capital. They've lost a lot of money. Okay, so how to recover that money? So my strategy will help you, and it's the simplest strategy. Okay, and it's my own invention, so you'll not find anywhere on YouTube. Hello, Paul, Mr. Paul, welcome to our stream. Welcome to our stream. How are you, brother? How are you? Very good evening, brother. I hope you're doing good. I hope you're profitable. I hope your family members are doing good. So how's going on? Okay, so currently what we can see is traders 8 days remaining. Okay, and as we can see, uh, dollar index is bullish. Okay, dollar index is super bullish. So until and unless we don't break this demand, so there will be bullish pressure on dollar index. Okay, so there will be bullish pressure on dollar index. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Yes, I'm also doing good. He is surrender. Who, brother? Who? Please let me know who. Who surrenders? So this demand is very important in the monthly time frame. Okay, dollar index is holding this demand, and there are war situations going on. Still gold is moving bearish. Okay, so it's never, you see, market is always unexpected. Okay, so what happens usually in the war situations, gold is usually bullish. Okay, but this time 90% of traders were bullish, but this time what happened? Gold bearish. Okay, so that is why we need to follow market structure. That is why we need to follow market structure. Market structure is the only mechanical thing. Okay, it's the only mechanical strategy available that with the help of market structure we can identify the structures. If you are able to identify the structures, then you will be profitable 101%. Okay, 60 to 70% you will be profitable, and overall weekly, monthly, you will be 101% profitable. All you need to do is you need to follow market structure. Okay, so now our team is ready, so we are here to assist you. So let's start. So we are done with the US dollar. US dollar is on its monthly support. Okay, traders, so this is the weekly time frame. Okay, and as you can see, traders, this is the weekly swing. Okay, this whole swing is the weekly swing. Okay, so weekly we are still bullish. Okay, so until and unless we don't break this, we are still bullish. Okay, in the weekly time frame, but this is, each candle is 1 week. Okay, this is per week, whole week data. Okay, so it will take time to affect on our small time frame chart. Okay, all right, so this is the daily time frame. So this is the weekly swing, whole swing. Okay, and within that weekly swing we have two daily swings. Okay, 100K account, yes, server issues were there in gold. My stop loss didn't trigger. I was afraid of losing the account, but by the time the server is up, gold reversed and I could exit with little profit. Yeah, brother, yeah. So that is why I also lost money, and my mood was off. So I didn't had any interest in trading the prop firm. Okay, so, and also so many people were messaging me that they don't have capital, so I feel so bad for them. Okay, so they don't have capital to buy funded accounts or to trade live account also. So that is why I took my time and I came up with the strategy. Okay, so I'll be discussing the strategy after this stream, or maybe tomorrow early morning. Okay, so tomorrow early morning we focus on our strategy first, and then we focus on analysis. Once you understand the strategy, I promise you, traders, you don't even need prop firms. Okay, so with that profit you can buy prop firms, that will be extra, but you don't need prop firms. Okay, so you can build your live capital within few trades. Okay, I'm not talking about whole month, I'm not talking about whole year. Okay, within few trades, within 4-5 trades, within 2-3 trades, how you can compound your money and how you can grow your capital within 1 month. So that is our plan. So I'll explain you the whole strategy. Okay, so as of now, let's focus on our analysis. And I really appreciate that you guys are still supporting me. Okay, traders, so keep supporting me. Our team is back now. Okay, so we are working as a team now. Okay, traders, so more accurate analysis. All right, traders, so this is the daily time frame. Okay, so this is the daily swing, and what we can see is, let me draw a line over here. This is the lower low. Okay, so this is the higher high, higher low, and this is the higher high. I'm sorry, this is the higher low. So this higher low needs to be taken out. Okay, so now you see this is the daily time frame. So we need a candle closing below this range. Okay, so we need a candle closing below this range. If candle is not closing below this range, below this higher low. This is higher low, this is higher high. Okay, higher low, higher high, again higher low and higher high. So that's how market moves. Market moves in swings. Okay, so now until and unless we don't break this, so in the daily time frame we are still bullish. Okay, so we need a candle closing below this range. Okay, Twitter, so we need candle closing below this higher low. So then only this daily time frame will be bearish. Okay, so still it doesn't mean that after candle closing below, so we straight go for selling. No, after closing, market will retrace. Market will retrace back again, inviting all the buyers and then again coming down. Okay, we will be targeting this level. So this is our weekly higher low. Okay, so we will be targeting this level. So let's see how market took the whole liquidity below. Okay, and still market is moving up now. All right, trader. So what's happening in the 4 hour now? So you just remember this blue is daily. Okay, I have already explained you. This blue is daily. Congratulations, Mr. Kumar, on passing your phase 1. Congratulations to you. So trade your phase 2 account very slow. Okay, so don't make any mistakes. Don't leave. You see, there is no room for errors. Okay, so in phase 2, you have to be very careful. So go slow. You see, you use minimum lot sizes and don't risk more than 1%. Okay, so never try to risk more than 1%. So what you can do is you can start risking with 0.50, and once you are in profit, then you can start risking 1%. Okay, so that way you'll be profitable, and I'll be assisting you with all the trades and analysis. So you'll definitely pass your phase 2 also. So congratulations once again. Okay, traders. So in the 4 hour time frame, okay, so in that daily swing, this is the daily swing which I have explained you. Okay, just now I have explained you this. This is the daily swing. You see, this is our daily swing. Okay, so we are now on 4 hour time frame. Okay, so within that daily swing, okay, so within that daily swing, there are different swings in 4 hour time frame. Okay, so there are total of 4 swings. Okay, and we also discussed that the market has already break past 2 swings. Okay, and market successfully retraced to the optimal levels, that is 78% zone, and market gave us a break of structure below. Got it? Market gave us a break of structure below. So now this is the daily level. Okay, so you see, in the daily swing, I need a closing in the daily candle. Okay, I need a closing in the daily candle. In the 4 hour swing, I'll follow 4 hour. In the daily, I'll follow daily candles. Okay, so this is the 4 hour swing now. So what is our new swing? So what is our new swing? This whole thing is our new swing. That is 4 hour swing. Okay, that is the continuation. So this is our new swing that we will be marking. Understood, traders? So please let me know in the comment section any doubts, any queries until now. So in the daily time frame and the weekly time frame, still market is bullish. So you can see we didn't got any closing below this level. Okay, so still market is bullish. If today US session candle closes below this, then this breakout is success. Okay, this breakout is success. As of now, in the daily time frame, breakout is not successful. In the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, we got a clear break of structure. Okay, so we got a clear break of structure. So now what is our range? So we will be marking the Fibonacci in the 4-hour time frame. Okay, and these are our levels. These are all our levels. So we are expecting price to come into our zones and then again continue. Okay, so if price is continuing from this level, 38% level, okay, so this swing will not be that much powerful. Okay, if we are retracing back into the 61% magic level or the optimal entry levels, then this swing will be powerful. Okay, so let's see what happens. Yes, I decided to keep risk 0.25 to 0.50 till I pass the second phase. Yeah, very good. Very good decision. I'll assist you with the trades. So make sure you join our stream on a daily basis. Okay. And make sure you join our Telegram channel. So link is in the description. So you'll get all the updates on our Telegram channel. Okay, traders. So now this is the swing that we are following. Got it. So this is the swing that we are following now. So what are we expecting? And there is you see, there is a possibility that market might continue again and then market might come into our zone. Okay, so there's always a possibility. So we will check that in the smaller time frames. Okay. So as of now, what are we expecting? We are expecting a pullback and then again a continuation. Okay, so we are expecting a pullback and then again a continuation. This is in the 4-hour time frame. So it will take time to reflect in the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so you always be careful with the time frames that you're using. Okay, so what is the conclusion? Still, as of now, as per the current market price, weekly we are bullish, still bullish. Okay, so I'll show you once again. We see this is the weekly swing. Okay, so weekly we are still bullish. Daily we are still bullish. Because why? You see, we didn't got any market. You see candle closing below this level. Okay, below this level. So still market can continue bullish. And in the 4-hour, we got a break of structure below. Right? We got a break of structure below. And now what are we expecting? We are expecting a pullback into our zone. Okay, so until minimum 50% retracement we are expecting. So if market retraces until 50% and then continues, so 50% is the minimum. Okay, so market can go until 61% magic level or the optimal entry levels. Okay, so if market retraces back into these zones and then continue, then this swing will be powerful. Okay, so then there is a possibility, then we can break this level also, this level also, and then we can continue. Okay, so these are the probabilities now, and war situations are going on, so you always be careful. Okay, all right, so let's move on to 15 minutes time frame. So let's see what's happening. So now you see this is the 4-hour Fibonacci that I've marked. Okay, so as of now I'll delete this. The traders, from here, as you can see, this is a very beautiful example. So when the market retraces into the 50%, 60% or the optimal levels, then you see how swing is powerful. Okay, see how swing is powerful. If the market retraces only until this 38% level, then that swing is not very much powerful. Okay, and there is a probability, always there is a probability, and in the smaller time frames, not in the bigger time frames. Okay, In the bigger time frames, even if 38% retracement is done, still market can continue. Okay, so in the smaller time frames, if market is retracing from this level, so usually that trend is not that much powerful, and we can always expect for reversal. Okay, welcome brother, welcome. You'll definitely pass your phase 2 also, so don't worry, just go slow. Okay, and don't trade emotionally. Don't trade emotionally. Follow your plan. Okay, follow your analysis. Even if you give stop loss, so don't worry, just follow your plan. Okay, I'm so happy that your account is safe. So in the server problem, when the server problem was there, so many people lost their accounts. Okay, thousands of people, they lost their account. Not an issue. Okay, so now you see traders, this level is liquidated. Okay, so this was the swing, so we are following a swing. So you see, this is a great example. When the price retraces back to its optimal level or minimum 50-60% level, then that trend is supposed to be powerful. Okay, that is the indication. That is the indication that the trend will be powerful. Okay, so now we have these swings. So I'll delete this. I'll delete this. Okay, so you see, now we have swings, and market structure is very important. Understanding the market structure. Okay, some people, you see, they'll be marking directly from here until this level. So they'll say this is the swing. Some people, what they do is they'll mark like this. They'll say this is the swing. Okay, but identifying the swing is very important. Okay, so if you are able to identify the true market structure, then definitely you're going to be profitable. Okay, all right, so as of now, what we can see is this level, we got a break of structure. Okay, so we got a break of structure. You can see over here. Let me draw a line like this. As you can see, we got the candle closing. Even if the candle closing is just 1 pip or 2 pip, that is valid. Okay, so that is 100% valid. So we got a change of character in the 15 minutes. Okay, so this is a change of character in the 15 minutes. So what are we expecting now? So you see, we'll draw a Fibonacci like this. Okay, and now the market is continuing from 38% level. All right, so market is continuing from 38% level. So what are we expecting? We are expecting market to come little bit below, touching these levels, and then pushing upwards. Okay, then pushing upwards until where? Okay, so we already have our target, so we need to draw Fibonacci like this. Okay, so we draw Fibonacci like this. This is our 4-hour Fibonacci, and in the 15 minutes, that will be used as targets. Okay, so you see, this is the 4-hour Fibonacci. Okay, so we got a change of character over here. Okay, so we got a change of character over here in the 15 minutes. So we are following this swing now. So we are following these buyers, and also we saw that in the daily time frame, candle not closing below the range. Okay, so what are our expectations now? Market can again come down, hitting these levels, 50-60% levels, and then again market might continue. Okay, so what will be our first target? So our first target will be this 38%. Second target will be this. Okay, very big targets. So I hope you understood the market structure. So I'll delete this 4-hour Fibonacci as of now. All right, so let's move on to the supply and demand now. Let's go, traders. Any new viewers, please let me know in the comment section. Who else is watching? So how's your trading going on? So please let me know in the comment section. So you see in the daily time frame, still candle closing is not successful. So still we have room for the retracement. Let's have a check. Let's have a look over here. So same thing, Trump postpones further strikes on Iran. Okay, same thing. And dollar index also I have explained you. Okay, so dollar index, dollar is taking support in the monthly time frame. Okay, in the monthly time frame, dollar is taking support. You see, this is the breaking news. Trump postpones strikes against Iran for 5 days. Okay, for 5 days. And you see oil prices slight 10% impact of $4 gas on automakers. These are the very important events. Let's have a look over here. What's happening? Oil falls over 13% on Trump postponing military strikes on Iran. Energy infrastructure. It's very important. Same thing. Trump backdowns on strikes on Iran's power network, says US and Tehran holding talks. Same thing, traders. Altogether, war is the most important news event. And tomorrow we have flash manufacturing PMI. So this volatility will be active at least for this week. Okay, at least for this week. You see, traders, after liquidating these buyers, after liquidating these buyers, price is pushing upwards. Okay, price is pushing upwards. All right, so let's start marking the liquidity. Okay, so today what we can see is this is weekly time frame. Okay, and today is the first trading day, Monday. And if you can see over here, a big engulfing is formed in the monthly time frame. Okay, in the monthly time frame, big engulfing is formed, but we cannot mark this engulfing because 8 days left for this candle closing. Okay, after this candle closing, so we can mark this supply zone. This will be a big supply zone. Okay, so overall, as you can see, traders, sellers are involved from this area. Okay, sellers are involved in this area. This is the zone. Okay, so we are going to mark this as the monthly sellers, right? So monthly sellers liquidity. Okay, as you can see, this is monthly liquidity of sellers, that is red. Okay, so that is why I have marked this as red. And you see in this same candle, buyers are getting involved from this level. So we're gonna mark this level. Okay, so we're gonna mark this level as green. So this is buyer stop loss, this is seller stop. Okay, so make sure you watch this full stream. Okay, so you also need to mark liquidity like this. All right, now we got the monthly liquidity. So now let's move on to the weekly liquidity. Okay, you can see this is the monthly liquidity of the buyers as well as the weekly liquidity for the buyers. Okay, we're marking this M plus W. Okay, or else MW. Okay, so this is monthly plus weekly buy side buyers liquidity. Okay, so buyers, all the buyers, they have stop losses here. And this is weekly sellers liquidity. And today is the first trading day. Okay, this is weekly sellers liquidity. Okay, so all the sellers who are involved in here, they have their stop losses above this level. Let's move on to the daily time frame. All right, so in the daily time frame, as you can see, is the same, and same. Okay, so after liquidating these buyers, market is continuing pushing up. Okay, so already I've explained you what's happening. Already I've explained you. You see, we are now respecting this level. Still we have some room. So these are early buyers, and market can once again come down to hit their stop losses, and then again market might continue. Okay, so there is a probability, or else after breaking this level, retracement, and then again a continuation. Okay, so let's see what happens. So until then, we'll mark our supply and demand. Any doubts, any queries? So traders, please feel free to ask. Okay, so I'll explain you once again. So we have all the liquidity, this range. Okay, and this is our 4-hour swing. Okay, this is our 4-hour swing that we are following as of now. Sorry, this is our 4-hour swing. Okay, we are expecting retracement minimum until this level. So this is our first target, that is 4600. Okay, our first target is 4600. Second target is this, like this. We have all the levels. Okay, so market can come retrace back to these levels, and then again market can continue. Okay traders, so today is the first trading day. So, and today we started streaming. So now we are here to assist you. Okay, so now we got a team. So my team members will be helping you with the fundamentals. Okay, and all the other important analysis, including fundamentals, world news events, anything all together. Okay, Also, they'll be helping us with the extra analysis that we are missing. Okay, so we don't have anything over here. Okay, so we directly have supply levels near the 60% magic fib level. Okay, here we have FVGs, we have some FVGs. Okay, so market will climb slow and steady. Now after this panic selling, so 90% of the traders now they are thinking that the market will again go down. Okay, but the market will now retrace. Market will now retrace back to the zones, and then again market will continue. What market does is, when market gives us a swing, market needs those buyers. Okay, so buy stop loss, they help sellers. So after breaking this, we got a sell move. All this accumulation, this is the distribution. Okay, so same way, after this move, you see this is the accumulation, or you say buyer's invitation. So again there will be some buyer's invitation like this, and then again we can continue bearish. Okay, but remember, in the daily and the weekly time frame, we are still bullish. Okay, so until and unless we don't get closing below this level, okay, which I have shown you, this is the daily level. Until and unless we don't get closing below this level, so this is intact. Okay, so this is valid. This buy swing is valid. Okay, as well as this weekly swing is valid until and unless don't break this level. Okay, this swing is also valid. Don't get panicked. Okay, this is just the effect of war, US Iran. Let's go, traders. If you haven't liked our stream yet, make sure you smash that like button. Let's complete 20 likes. And thank you for all your likes. Thank you for all your 11 likes. Okay, so daily is done. So you see, traders, we have supply in here. Okay, the 4-hour time frame, we have supply in here, 60% fib magic level. Okay, and the 70-80% optimal entry level. Okay, so we have some minor resistance in this area. Okay, so we have some minor resistance in this area, and that is also aligned with our 38%, 50% level, fib levels. Okay, any doubts, any queries, feel free to ask. So I'm here to help you. Our team is here to help you, assist you. Okay, so a lot of supply this area. Okay, so we are not focusing on this supply areas because we might get trapped. Okay, we are only focusing on the 4-hour supply areas. Okay, so that is 60%, 61% magic level area. Okay, this supply area, focusing on these supply areas. And if the market is coming deep, then these are the supply areas. Okay, You can see this area is super important. Okay. Got it. First, this was a resistance area. After the breakout, working as a support, but market could not sustain this level, okay, near this level, and market was not able to take out this swing, okay, this sell swing. Okay, after breaking this, market is bearish. Okay, and also we got break of structure in the 4-hour time frame. Okay, but in the daily and the weekly time frame, still break of structure is not successful. Okay, so we can also draw this level and draw this level like this. So why are we drawing this level? Because you see traders, when the market again came near this level, then we saw some bullish players entering into the market. That means this level is important. Okay. So there's always a probability that market can continue from here. Okay. And also we have the weekly liquidity. Okay. So after sweeping this liquidity, after hitting into this level, so there is an probability that market can continue, okay, hunting for this liquidity. If we are bearish from this level after liquidating this weekly and daily liquidity, then there is a possibility that we can come down and we can close below this higher low. Okay, so we can close below this higher low. There is a possibility. So let's draw the same level over here. This is our level, 4-hour level. Okay, this is our 4-hour level. So side by side traders, you also keep marking. Okay, so you also keep marking your charts. So traders, as you can see, we already got a change of character over here. Okay, so we got a candle closing above this level, above this lower high. This is the lower low, and market was not interested making new lower lows. Okay, market gave us a change of character above. Okay, so now market took resistance from this level, 38% level. So there is a possibility after hitting this level we can come down again. DC, welcome to our stream, brother. 22%. What is the context? Can you please let me know? DC traders candles are so big. Okay, candles are so big. Every single candle is of 100 pips, more than 100 pips. Okay, every single candle is more than 100 pips. 1 minute, 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame, each and every single candle is of more than 100 pips. So volatility, very much volatility. Market is very much volatile. Okay, so be careful. I think this is the retracement that the market already took the retracement 38%. Now market is continuing upside. Okay. Let's wait for 5 minutes. Okay, so let's wait for 5 minutes. This candle will be closed now. 5 minute. This 15 minutes candle. We need the breakout above this level. Okay, so we need a closing. We need a closing above this level. Then this will be our new swing. Okay, so this will be our new swing. Then we have fresh opportunity. Enter from this swing. Okay, now we missed entry from this level. Okay, so this was our buy opportunity. So now after closing above this level, so wait for the retracement. Okay, so you draw Fibonacci from here like this. Let this candle get closed. Let this candle complete, and then after a retracement, then again we can buy. Okay, so we have buying opportunity until this level. This is the level. So how we draw this level? Let me show you once again. Okay, so show you over here the 4-hour time frame. Simply go to line chart, and this is a very simple level. Okay, following this level. Okay, traders, you see first this level was a resistance. After this becomes support. Again it is working as a resistance. Okay, so why we mark this level? Because you see traders, when price visited this level again, and we saw some bullish momentum, we saw some activity, we saw very good trading activity in this range. Okay, so that is why we are interested in this range. Okay, altogether this one and this one, these two are important levels. Okay, so there is a possibility that after hitting this level, market can continue downwards. Okay, or else I already gave you all the levels. Okay, so you draw Fibonacci from here like this. If the market is not respecting this level, if the market is breaking this level, okay, then we have all the Fibonacci levels. I've already shown you. You can follow Fibonacci levels. Clear, traders? Okay, so also you can see, traders, we have the liquidity, weekly, daily liquidity lying around here. Okay, after hitting this, we can continue. So let me delete this Fibonacci. So this was my change of character. Okay. You see, traders, this was my change of character. Okay. So as you can see, candle closing above this level. Okay, above this lower high. This was the lower low, but the market was unable to make a new lower low. Okay, what happened? Market gave us a change of character above. Market took 38% retracement, and then again market is continuing upward. Okay, if you check out here, you can find this level, 15 minutes level. Okay, traders, you can see this was kind of a support level. After the breakout, got a beautiful bearish move. Okay, so obviously after the bullish breakout, this will work as a support. Okay, so 15-minute candle is done. So we already got a break of structure above. Okay, so let's see if we are continuing directly or if we are retracing back. So now what is our new level? Our new level is this as of now. Okay, okay, so this is our new level now. This was the change of character. Okay, 38% retracement. So why are we considering this as the break of structure? Okay, so why are we considering this break of structure? Because you see traders, it depends on the retracement, and you can see traders already market retraced $127. That means market already retraced 2.85%, that is 1200 pips. Okay, so already market retraced 1200 pips after giving this break of structure. Okay, after giving this break of structure above, that is the change of character, market already retraced more than 1200 pips. Okay, now what we can do is we can mark the Fibonacci. Okay, and we can try entering from these levels. Okay, Samuel, hello brother, hello, welcome to our stream. A very good evening to you, brother. I hope you're doing good, your family members are doing good, and I hope you're profitable. So make sure traders, to make sure you smash that like button. Let's go, let's complete 20 likes. So in the 5 minutes time frame, we have a small breakout over here. Okay, aligning with our 50% fib level. Stop losses are so big, bro. Stop losses are so big. That's the problem. Stop losses, you see, stop loss are so big. So what we can do is traders, we wait for the 1 minute time frame. Okay, in the 1 minute time frame, market first market will hit the level, and then let market create some move. Okay, so let market create some move, and then from the nearby order blocks we can try to enter. Okay, so our stop loss will be small. This is our plan. So you see traders, market jumping from this level, market jumping from 38% level. Let's see if this continues. So here also market took 38% level, okay, of this swing. Here also market took 38%. Here also market is taking 38%. Okay, so this overall this move is not that much powerful. Okay, so there is a lot of probability that the market can fall from this level. Okay, come on. I was just waiting for this level, but market is going up from this level, 38% level. Let's see if we get an opportunity to enter here. You see, traders stop losses are so big, so huge stop losses. Okay, so what we can do is we can follow 1 minute time frame. Okay, so we can do something like this. Okay, so after some movement, the price hits again order block, then we enter. Okay, so our stop loss will be minimal. So that is why. Okay, so this is the 5 minute level that I have marked. As you can see, traders, this is nothing but very simple breakout level. Okay, this is a very simple breakout level. You see resistance, resistance. After the breakout, okay, so this breakout, this breakout. So we got both the breakouts. So after this breakout, market can come here, and this area, this area, this area is bullish area now. Okay, so because we got the breakout, this area is bullish area. Let's see what happens. So also traders, let me know your plan. What is your plan? So please let me know in the comment section. So what are you thinking? Stop losses are so big, bro. Stop losses are so big. And also there is a possibility that market can hit 60% level. Okay, so there is always a probability that market can hit 60% level. Target is all the way until this level, minimum this level, and I've already gave you the 4 hour levels. Okay, let's go traders. Let's complete 20 likes. Let's go. You see, market is sorry, stop loss is so big. Stop loss is so big. Also, market can come until this level. Okay, so there is a probability market can come until this level, 60% level, or even market can come deep down into optimal price levels. Okay, so that is why what we are doing is we wait, we wait patiently. Okay, so first market will give a move like this, and then again from the order block, then we can enter with small stop loss. Okay, so that is our plan. Let's see. Yes, Samuel brother, I explained everything. I explained everything. You can check. So now we are a team. Okay, so we are working as a team now. So my team members will be helping you with all the fundamentals. Okay, so all the extra analysis, so that we will not commit any mistakes, any silly mistakes. Okay, so let's go traders. Let's complete 20 likes. So we are a team member now. Okay, so we got a team now, so that will be assisting you with all the fundamentals, with all the analysis, each and everything in detail. Okay. Also, I've already explained to you that I'll be sharing my personal strategy entry technique where you can compound your money 5x to 200x, 300x, 500x. Okay. So unlimited within few trades. So still market is pushing from 38% level. See, still market is pushing from 38% level. My expectation is until this level. Samuel, how's your trading going on, brother? I hope everything is good. Anyone else who is watching, so please let me know in the comment section. Let's go. Let's complete 20 likes. Let's go, traders. So tomorrow early morning, I'll be sharing the strategy first, okay, and then we will focus on our analysis. Or else I'll try today, today night, today midnight. I'll try to upload the video for you. Analysis. I mean the strategy video for you. I'll try. But tomorrow morning, 100%. Also, I want to I want to create the PDF. Okay, I want to create the PDF, the whole plan PDF for you, so you can stick to the plan. It's kind of a trading journal. Okay, it's very interesting and it's very unique, and this will be a revolution in the trading industry. I promise you on that. Okay, let's go, traders. Let's go. AK, hello, hello, brother. Hello. Welcome to our stream, brother. A very good evening to you. I hope you're doing good. How is your trade today? No, no, brother. We are now waiting for entry. We are waiting for entry. You see, traders, this was the lower low, and here we got a change of character. Okay, let me zoom in. So here, this was the change of character. Okay, and let me draw Fibonacci for you. So new viewers, you'll understand. Okay, so after this swing, market took 38% retracement. Market gave us a new break of structure above. Okay, so this break of this change of character is confirmed now. Okay, so after this break of structure, this change of character is confirmed now. Got it? So I'll delete this fib. Come on, bro. Come on. Market is going up from this level, 38% level. You see, pinpoint. That is the power of market structure. You see, candles are so big. Otherwise, we can take the risk. Candles are so big. If you check 1 minute candle, so each and every candle is of more than 100 pips. Okay, you see, traders, all the candles are more than 100 pips, so 150 pips. You see, 110 pips, 120 pips. See, again 90, 100 pips. So candles are so big. So even with 0.01, so we have a big stop loss. Okay, so we are trying to enter from this level, but first wait 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 for a 1 minute confirmation. Okay, so confirmation same like this. Okay, so wait for a confirmation, wait for some bullish buyers, and then again from the exact order block or POI, anything, or the breakout levels, anything, we can try to enter in the 1 minute time frame so that our stop loss will be minimal. Got it, traders? Any doubt, any queries? So we have target all the way until this level. Okay. And already I've provided you all the levels in the 4-hour time frame, fib levels. So anyone new, so please let me know in the comment section. So I'll explain once again for you. Any new viewers, please let me know in the comment section. Also, we are going to start BTC. Stop loss is so big. And also we cannot risk from here 50%. So you see, if we risk from this level, if we take a risk from this level, 50% level, so our stop loss is so big. So we don't know if the market comes hunting these levels. If market comes deep down into these optimal levels, then our stop loss will be hit for no reason. Okay. That is why saving our capital is our first priority. Okay. And second priority is entering into trade, executing a trade. First, save your capital. If you have capital, then you can trade tomorrow, day after tomorrow. You can trade your whole life. You see, stop loss is so big, and also risk reward is not so good. Okay, so risk reward is not so good. That is why we are hesitating. Now, no. This is not the trade. This is a trade idea. But as you can see, trade brother, AK brother, as you can see now, this is a trade idea. Why this is a trade idea? Okay, so let me explain you. So first, we got a change of character over here. Okay, so you see, we got a change of character above. This is the 15 minutes time frame. After this retracement, we got a break of structure above, confirming this change of character. Okay, so this change of character is confirmed now. Okay, so this break of structure confirmed this change of character. So now we have this latest swing. Okay, so we have this latest swing. Now we are trying to enter from the fib levels. Okay, so this is the closest level, 50% level. We can see as of now market is respecting the 38% level. The closest level is 50% level, 60% level. So we don't know until where market can come. Market can come until this level also, 70% optimal entry also. Okay, so what are we doing? We are waiting patiently. I'll show you in the 1 minute time frame. So AK bro, you can see over here in the 1 minute time frame. So we are waiting for a move like this. Okay, so we are waiting for a move like this, retracement, and then we'll try to enter. Okay, then we'll try to enter. In the 1 minute time frame, you keep watching. Okay, so first, and this is 5 minutes, 5 minute breakout zone. Okay, so this is a very important zone. I'll show you over here. I'll change the color of this. Okay, so I'll keep it black. You see, brother, resistance. We got a breakout, and then this resistance is now support. Okay, this is bullish support because bullish overpowered the sellers. Okay, bullish overpowered the sellers. Emmanuel, brother, welcome to our stream. Hello, brother. Hello. I hope you're doing good, brother. Welcome to our stream. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your comment. Make sure you smash that like button. Let's go. Let's complete 20 likes. So this is the scenario as of now. Good to hear that. Good to hear that. I hope your family members are doing good, and I hope you're profitable. Okay, so this is the level. So traders, as you can see, what happened over here? Buyers overpowered the sellers. Okay, and already we got the change of character and the confirmation. Okay, so this break of structure, when this level, we got the break of structure after this level. So this change of character was confirmed. Okay. So Emmanuel, please let me know if you want to understand anything. I know you, brother. I know you, Emmanuel. I know you, bro. Yes, yes, I know you, brother. Welcome, brother. Welcome. Okay, so don't execute this trade. Okay, so wait for the 1 minute confirmation. Wait for 1 minute confirmation. Market can, I'm telling you once again, market can again come into these levels. Okay, so our main stop loss is this. Our main stop loss is this. But you see, market is unpredictable now. Today, at least for today, please wait. So movements are so big. You see, every single candle, 1 minute candle is more than 100 pips. This is 200 pips almost. So how can we plan our stop loss? So that is the problem. So that is the problem. How are we going to plan the stop loss? So what are we gonna do? We are waiting something. We're waiting for something like this. Okay. First, let market create a demand zone. Let bullish players enter into the market, and on the retracement we try to enter. Okay. Also, sometimes what happens after when the bullish players enter, so there's a liquidity grab and then a continuation. Okay, so that is why we are waiting patiently. So we cannot do anything, brother, because 1 minute 1 minute candles, each candle is of more than 100 pips. Let's go, traders. All new viewers, if you have any doubts, any queries, so please feel free to ask. If you don't understand anything, so please let me know in the comment section. And let's go, traders. Let's complete 20 likes. Let's go. So we are planning buy entries from these levels, okay, from fib levels. So if you have any other confluences, please let me know in the comment section. Let's have a look if we have any engulfing these areas. So you can see, traders, we have an engulfing near this area, but our swing is from this level. Okay, you can see over here 15 minutes. Okay, this is our swing. The 5 minutes time frame, we don't have anything. Wait for minimum 50%. Wait, let's wait patiently. We are looking for something like this: 1 minute entry, retracement, and then the continuation. Okay, also remember, traders, market can also liquidate before moving up. Okay, so US session is going to be, just a moment, just a moment. Yes, traders. So what we can do is now half an hour to go, 30 minutes to go for the US session. So we are waiting for something like this. Okay, after enter. So if we enter directly, so we don't have the proper stop loss. Okay, so because market can hit the 60% level, market can come to these optimal levels. Okay, so there's always an probability. And if you see stop loss 780 pips. Okay, so no one is ready to risk that much amount of money. Also risk reward is not that much good. Okay, risk reward is not that much good. That is why we are waiting. That is why we are waiting for something like this, so that we can you see, we can lower our stop loss risk. We can lower our risk. So traders, please let me know what is your plan. So what are you thinking? So wait, traders, wait. We are waiting for a movement like this. Okay, we're waiting for a bullish movement like this, and then we will try to enter. Okay, as of now, you see market is continuously coming down, down, down. Let it come, let it come. We have the 60% level now. 50% level is also hit. So we have the 60% level now, and this is the 5-minute level that I have marked. Okay, very simple breakout level, nothing else. So as you can see, this is a very simple breakout level, nothing else. Wait for the confirmation. Okay, just wait for the confirmation. Wait for the confirmation. Let's see. Market can hit 60% also. Market can come down to these levels also. Okay, so there is always an probability. And market can also come until this level. Okay. It's better to wait for the confirmation. Okay, so we need a confirmation like this. Then we'll try to enter. So any new viewers, please comment. So I'll be back within 2 minutes. I'm going to washroom. So any new viewers, please comment. What are you thinking? What is your trade plan today? Please let us know. Others will also get help. So what is your bias? What is your bias? What is your bias today? So when you see the daily time frame, traders, so you can see continuous red, and after liquidating this level, we are making some bullish momentum. Let's see. %, magic level is there. Let's see what happens. And also we have the optimal entry levels. traders, do you also take sell trades too? Yes, bro. Buying, selling. If there is a buying opportunity, we buy. If there is a selling opportunity, we sell. Okay. So I think AK, you are a beginner. So please wait. Okay. So don't directly enter into your position. Don't directly execute the trade, or else you'll make losses. Okay. So if you're a beginner, so wait patiently. If you don't understand the lot sizes, if you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section. Okay. So I'll help you with that. Every single candle is of minimum 100 pips. This is 1 minute time frame. Okay. So we cannot go lower than this. This is the 1 minute time frame. We see traders, some buying, again liquidation. Let's see what happens if we can get a buy from this level. At least let market hit the 60% level. Already market hit the 50% level. Let's see. We are waiting for a confirmation. We are waiting for a confirmation. You see, stop losses are so big. Today's stop losses are so big. That's why we are waiting for a confirmation in the 1 minute time frame. Okay, traders. So this is our swing, higher high. This is our bullish swing. And from that bullish swing, from the 60%, 70% optimal areas, we are trying to enter. Okay. But we are waiting for a confirmation. Stop losses are so big. That is why we are waiting for confirmation. I bought at 5400 and sold at 4700. Made huge loss. Oh my God. What was your lot size, brother? What was your lot size? What was your lot size? 5400 to 4700 AM. That's almost 7000 pips, bro. 7000. With just 0.01, you're losing $700, bro. I traded GC whole contract. So can you elaborate? So still, you see, traders, we are getting some bullish momentum. Let's see. Let's see. We are waiting for a confirmation. Traded a whole contract. That means one standard lot. Okay, micro gold. I'm sorry. Got it. 10K loss. You thought war situation market will go up. Okay, like the previous one. Venezuela, US Venezuela conflict. Like the same. Yeah, bro. I know. 90%. You're not the only one. 90%, almost 90% of the traders, they are in loss. I get it. Yeah, bro. Yeah, got it. You must manage your stop loss, bro. Once you manage your stop loss, then you give the stop loss. Okay. So whether you give the stop loss or else you take the target. So that's how you trade. I'll assist you, bro. I'll assist you. Don't worry, bro. You'll recover your money, bro. Yes. That was the learning. It costed you 10K. Costed you 10 bands. Whether you're trading swing or intraday. I think that was a swing trade, and you on a daily basis you thought market will go up, market will go up. So US attacked Iran, market will go up, up, up. So that's we're hoping. You're hoping for that? Oh my God. So sad, bro. So sad. I got it, bro. I got it. Yeah. That's what you were thinking. Yeah. So sad, bro. So sad. That's why, bro, I've created a strategy for you. Okay. So even with, I promise you, bro, even with $100, even with minimum $500, you can recover this money. Okay. You can recover this money. You record this. Okay. Live stream. This is live stream and this is always available on my YouTube. Okay. So you record this. So once you start using my strategy, so you can recover this amount of money with just small capital. Believe me, bro. So you make sure you subscribe to our channel and join our Telegram channel. Okay. So you can contact me and you stay in touch with me. I'll assist you personally, bro. Okay. So we are making some bullish progress in this range. Still, market didn't hit the 60% level, but 50% level is done. Okay. So now we have some possibility. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Amen. Thank you. Now trade slowly, brother. Now trade slowly. Okay. So don't take aggressive trades. Trade very slowly. Take it slow now. Okay. So don't rush now. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not pretty sure if we can enter. Still, what is the risk here? 200 pips. Okay. $20 risk. 200 pips risk. And the target is 140 pips. $140. I'm sorry. Target is 1400 pips and risk is 20 pips. But still I am afraid that the market can hit 60% level. Still I am afraid. So if you have extra capital, if you have that extra capital, then you can try a risk in this range, or else we wait for this level. There is opportunity, there is probability that market can hunt these early buyers. Okay. So again, market can come until this 60% level. Then again, our stop loss is big. Okay, so we cannot keep our stop loss near this 78% optimal entry level. Okay, so we cannot plan our stop losses here. So that is the problem, bro. That is the problem. Markets, you see, 1 minute candles are so big, bro. 1 minute candles are so big. That's the problem, bro. That's the problem. So here you have a 200 pips risk. So you can go with this risk. Okay. So we have a 200 pips risk over here and the reward is 1400 pips. Got it? Or else if the market is coming to hit this, then market will hit 61% level, and also there is a probability that the market can hit these levels, 78% levels. Okay. So that is why I am not confirmed. Now you see, traders, this is pre New York session. So now US session is going to open. So if you have extra money, I already told you, if you have extra money, then you can go with this trade, or else you can wait. You can wait for a better entry. Stop losses are so big, bro. Stop losses are so big. Let's go, traders. Let's complete 20 likes. All new viewers, welcome to our stream. Help me complete 20 likes. Let's go. Let's go, traders. Let's go. Someone entered in this area. Someone entered in this area. I was afraid that the market can come down again. One time market liquidated here. Okay, so that was not enough for me. So I thought market can come again once again. Okay, we see every single candle consists of 100 pips. Okay, so candles are so big. That is why I'm hesitant today. Okay, that is why I'm hesitating to give you clear entries. Let's go, traders. Let's go. So this way I'm going to assist you, traders. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and let's go. Help me complete 20 likes. Let's go. I'm waiting for downfall. Okay, bro. Now you don't trade, bro. Now you don't trade. You just wait patiently, bro. Wait. Just wait. When there is an short entry, then I'll provide you the entry, bro. Okay. So you join regularly. So make sure you join our Telegram channel, bro. Hello, Mr. Pramod. Welcome to our stream. You're waiting? Yes. Got it. Mr. Pramod, actually the stop losses are so big. Okay, so stop losses are so big. That is why we are hesitating. Stop losses are so big. So that's why on this, in these levels, from these levels, what I told you, just wait for a movement like this. Okay, we got a movement like this, and I told you to enter in this range. If someone has that extra risk, okay, someone has that extra profit, if you have some extra profits, then you can take this risk. Okay, already we entered. You can replay our stream. Already I gave you this entry. The only problem was market can come to liquidate this buyers and again hitting 60% level. So if you haven't entered, so it's better you wait. If someone entered, if you're if you don't feel good, you can get out. Okay, so you can get out of your position and you can wait again. So if you're risking 200 pips easily, then you can hold. Mr. Pramod, your training is incomplete. Okay, so I want to explain you many more things. Okay, so trade, don't rush. Okay, so trade patiently. Don't enter. Okay, so wait, traders. Market can again come down to hit these liquidities. Wait. Don't enter. Now see why I'm hesitating, because now it's 15 minutes for the US opening. Okay, so I don't know, anything can happen. US opening, you see, already market is today so volatile. In your live account, you cannot even trade with 0.01, to be honest. That is the situation right now. Cannot even trade with 0.01 as of now. That is the situation. Come on, bro. Come on. You see how many pips the market is moving. Single candle, bro. Single candle. You see, single candle 160 pips. 200 pips is our stop loss, bro. Single candle 160 pips. What can we do, bro? Today is not our day. So this is my today is my first day. So that is why I don't want to give you any silly trades. Okay. So this way I'll be assisting you. Okay, traders. See, from 21 to 42, already 200 pips done. So only two candles within just 2 minutes. Market is not giving us time to even think. In just blink of an eye, just market is creating big movements. So this way I'll be assisting you. So don't worry. Okay. So you'll make regular profits. So overall 60-70% is our accuracy. So overall weekly and monthly you'll be profitable. Okay. So don't worry. Don't get panicked. Even if you made big losses. So don't worry. And just keep watching my streams on a daily basis. Okay. So we started from today onwards, and now we are a team. Okay, so my team will be helping you with the fundamentals and all the other things. Okay, let's go, traders. Those who haven't liked our stream yet, let's go. Let's complete 20 likes. Let's go. And tomorrow early morning I'm going to reveal my strategy entry technique for you. Okay, so make sure you join our Telegram channel. So 10 minutes to go, 10-12 minutes to go for the US opening. Today is not our day. Today is not our day. Market is so volatile. Just 2-3 minutes. Just 2-3 minutes. Market just went more than 300 pips. Market is not, this is 1 minute time frame. I cannot go lower than this. Okay. This is 1 minute time frame. See, market is not even giving us time to think. I told you, traders, we are waiting for something like this. Okay, so you can replay my stream. So those who are new, you can replay my stream. So I told you we are waiting for something like this. Why we were waiting for something like this? Because you see the stop loss was so big. So our actual stop loss is this. Okay, so I was waiting for something like this. We got same thing. Okay, now we are continuing. That's why I already gave this entry. Okay, so you can replay the stream, but I was not confirmed. Yeah, I was not confirmed. So if you have some extra confluences, then you can definitely you can trade with me. Okay, with your extra confluences. Also, you can share your extra confluences with our traders. Okay. Anyone entered into this position? Anyone? Anyone entered into this position with 200 pip stop loss? I told you, traders, if you have some extra profits, then you can definitely go for this trade. Okay, so already you see your profitable 300 pips already. One entered. So if you didn't enter the position, don't worry, traders. Today we just we just started. So from tomorrow onwards, so from London session we'll cover. Okay. So why this move came in? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me today why this move came in? This data. Okay, Monday. So why this fall came in today? Can anyone explain? Anyone? Go traders, let's complete 20 likes. If you haven't liked the stream yet, so make sure you smash that like button. I told you we are waiting for something like this. Okay, so you can replay my stream. So today is the first day, traders. Okay, so that is why I didn't told you to go pinpoint in this range. Okay, so I didn't want to commit any silly mistakes. So you see, market always has that probability to hit the stop loss, again come to these levels, again continue. Okay, so that is why I was hesitant. So you'll also build your trust in me, okay, on a daily basis. So I'll be assisting you like this. Okay, and this is 100% free. Okay, this is 100% free. If you earn money, so you can donate us. Okay, so that donation we will be using to improve our analysis. Okay, improve our analysis. So already 400 pips done, 1:2 is done. So first we are waiting for this breakout, then we are targeting this level. If you trade with emotions, then you'll never be successful. Okay, keep your emotions aside, and whatever you see on the chart, trade accordingly. Okay, so we want to invest in Elliott waves analysis. Okay, so this is very powerful. I don't know, I'll search who is the best provider. Okay, so I have few companies that I have bookmarked my Telegram channel. Okay, so this is one of the example. So with your donations, I'll be buying these extra confluences. Okay, PC traders, if you buy alone, you have to pay like this big huge amount. So this is just an example. Okay, so we are not going to buy this is just an example, but altogether if you send me $1, then we can buy this thing, and we can make use in our daily analysis. Okay, now there is no chance to re-enter, bro. Leave it. See, every single candle is of 100 pips. What can we do? You see, more than 100 pips, 130 pips. Too much volatility. These types of volatility was once in a while. I mean, in 2023, 2024, 2025, these kind of volatilities were once in a while. But nowadays, we see these type of volatilities on a daily basis. Okay, so market is tougher than ever, and market changes its algorithm every year. Okay, every year market changes its algorithm is more advanced. Okay, and also we have the AI technology. So these days trading is not everyone's cup of tea. Okay, Traders, 9 people are watching. So can anyone tell me why we got this sell move? Okay. War situations are going on, so why gold is falling? Can anyone tell me? Any ideas? See, we were waiting for something like this, and the same thing happened. Okay, we were waiting for something like this, same thing happened. See, market is always repetition. Okay, okay, I forgot to check news over here. Let's have a look. The news event. Inflation, fear of inflation. See, while geopolitical tensions typically support safe haven demand. Okay, so geopolitical tensions typically support safe haven demands. Basically, what happens whenever there is geopolitical tensions? So gold is bullish. Okay, so that happens 70% of the times. But as of now, the inflationary impact of higher energy costs is pressuring bullion. Okay, so that's the problem. Yes, yes, yes. Because of the surging US dollar, rising bond yields. Exactly. Central banks are the ones buying gold heavily. Beautiful. Since crude is spiking, which will cause inflation in the world, and central banks require cash to support. Exactly, bro. Central banks will be always buying. Okay, so they'll never be selling gold. Pretty obvious. Gold is precious metal. Okay, so this way I'll be assisting you regularly on a daily basis. So make sure you support us. So how I was able to find this entry? Just using market structure. Just using simple market structure. Okay, so you can replay our stream. So I have shown you each and everything starting from the weekly analysis. I mean starting from the weekly time frame. You can check out. So make sure you join our Telegram channel. Okay, so whenever I'm live, so first update is on the Telegram channel. Okay, so make sure you join our Telegram channel. Link is in the description. So I know many people are now in selling. 90% of the retailers, they are into selling now. Okay, but why are we into buying? We are following market structure. I say you, I say you always. Okay, market structure is the only mechanical strategy that you can follow. Okay, but you need the true market structure. Need the true market structure. Which swing you're gonna follow? Which swing you're gonna follow? That is very important. Okay, so this is all 15 minutes. You see, this swing also I have marked. Okay, so there are many reasons I have marked this swing. I have marked this swing. I could have marked all this together. Okay, but this is different. This is different. And you see from here, see from here, from the exact 60% level, market fell. Okay, that means our market structure markings are absolutely correct. 100% right. Okay, so that is why we were able to identify this buy entry. Okay, so today we just started our stream. Okay, I was not available. for 2 weeks. Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, so I was upgrading my entry technique for you guys. Okay, and also now we are working as a team. So my team members will be assisting you with all the fundamentals and all the other world news events. Okay, so and I'll be covering all the analysis for you. M. Kumar, welcome to our stream. Kevi Kim, welcome to our stream. Thank you for tuning in. I was just thinking that the market can come down to hit this level, 60% magic level. Okay, I was just waiting for this level. Also, I was thinking that market will liquidate these players, early buyers. Okay, already market liquidated once, but anyways, not a problem. So we get opportunities on a daily basis. Okay, I'll be literally assisting you with all the buy sell entries. Okay, so from tomorrow onwards, we start from the London session onwards. Okay, London session and US session, both we are going to cover. And also there was a important news, M. Kumar, Kevi Kim, Pramod. Okay, so there was a important news like this. So Trump tweeted, Trump postponed military strikes on Iran for 5 days. Okay. Here also, as you can see, same thing. Trump postponed strikes against Iran's power plants for 5 days. Already 20% of the world oil deliveries are stuck. Okay. Mr. Pramod, I hope you understood the strategy the basic of our entry strategy. Okay, so tomorrow morning, be ready. Okay, so tomorrow morning stream, tomorrow morning, maybe Asian or London stream. So I will cover the entry strategy. Okay, so this will be a revolution in trading. I promise you on that. Okay, so tomorrow be ready. Okay, so make sure you join our Telegram channel. Don't miss our Telegram channel. Okay, Mr. Pramod, tomorrow it will be a revision for you. Okay, so if you have any doubts, queries, so make sure you can message me directly. So this way we will be doing the compounding. Got it? Pramod, OS, what is this? That means awesome? I don't know. Okay, still see bullish momentum is there. When the risk reward is good, you always enter. Okay, so when the risk reward is good, you always enter. So today is my first day, and I didn't want to commit any silly mistakes. That's why I was not confirmed with this trade. I was waiting for this liquidity hunt. Not a problem. And for entry purpose, what you can do is you can always use 9 and 15 moving average. Okay, you can always use 9 and 15 moving average for your extra entry confluence, or else you can use any moving averages of your choice. Okay, for intraday. Any doubts, any queries until now? So please let me know in the comment section. So now for 5 days, at least for 5 days, there will be no attack. Okay, let's see how is the volatility this week. So I want to invest in here. Okay, so this is a charting platform. Okay, so I want to invest in here. The pricing is $67 per month. Okay, if you try to buy, this is $67 per month. But if we buy all together, okay, if you are helping me $1122 each person, we can get this all together, and my stream will be active from Asian to US session. Okay, So what are we getting in here? So there are four main indicators. Okay, these are all not not painted indicators. Real time signals, 5 weekly trading strategy sessions, daily market insights from expert traders, access to private trading community, regular updates on new features. Okay, so this is, and I'll show you the indicators. Example. Okay, so first thing, we get all the pattern breakouts. Okay, so we don't have to draw everything manually. So this is modern world AI technology. So why not make use of it? And it's just $67. Okay, and we have also the oscillators. Okay, so we have smart money. We have a lot of things over here. Okay, so we will discuss this later. Okay, so that is why there is an option to donate. All right, so there is an option to donate. So you don't have to spend whole $67 here. Okay, so what you can do is you guys can donate us and I will get it for you guys. Okay, so these only four indicators is all we need. Okay, so already I've used it and I know this is super useful. Okay, only this is useful when when you are expert in the market structure, you're expert in your own edge. Okay, when you're expert in your own edge. So when you're not expert in your own edge, then you cannot use this. Okay, cannot use this. If you want to rely on this solely, then you cannot be profitable. Okay, so this is also one thing, $67. And also I've shown you Elliott waves. Okay, so these are the two things we need as soon as possible. Okay, so this will improve our trading by 100%. So we have a lot of oscillators, we have a lot of indicators over there. We have trend detector, we have pattern detector, we have a lot of things. Okay, so it's all based on AI and it's super accurate. When you're expert in your own edge, then only you can use extra confluences. Okay, so these are all our extra confluences. Chart prime, Elliott waves analysis, these are all extra confluences. I don't even need that. Okay, so just to improve our trading, just for that extra confluences, we are going to buy it. Okay, you don't have to invest whole $67. So what you can do is you can donate me $2, $3 altogether. So those who are watching me from India, you can start donating me. Okay, I've provided you the QR code. And those who are watching me from abroad, so I'll provide you the USDT link. Okay, so tomorrow or day after tomorrow, you can donate me there as well. These softwares are just for our extra confluence. Okay, nothing else. And tomorrow, very important day, so tomorrow I'll be explaining you my whole entry strategy. Okay, so make sure you don't miss it and make sure you join our Telegram channel. It's very important. Let's go, traders. Any new viewers? Let's go. Any new viewers? Make sure you smash that like button. Let's complete 20 likes. $67. Okay, so you can donate $1, $2 only, and you have to donate when you make profit. Okay, so only when you make profit, then only you donate. Otherwise, you don't donate. Okay, I don't need the donation from your pocket. I need donation from the profits that we are making. Okay, so that's a win-win situation for everyone, each one of us. Also, those who don't have money, they can also get help. So with the lowest capital, they can also build capital. They can also start earning profits. So win-win situation for everyone. Okay, so you can start donating $1, minimum $1, whatever you like. Okay, so only when you make profits. Okay, so from this week you start making profits and then you start donating. Then we will buying the softwares, Elliott waves plus chart prime. Okay, so we are interested in two, Elliott waves and chart prime. After investing in these two softwares, then we will, our accuracy will be on next level. Believe me, guys, our accuracy will be on next level. Let it be funded account, let it be personal account, anything, let it be anything. Even if you're trading with $10, $20 minimum, you're good to go. Anyone entered? Anyone entered in this buying momentum? Anyone booked some profits? I'll be happy to hear that. If you haven't entered, no problem. So from tomorrow onwards, we get started from the London session. Okay. So any doubts, any queries, traders? So we will be ending this stream. Okay. So already we missed our entry. Not a problem. So trading is forever. Okay. Trading is forever. Our first priority is saving our capital, protecting our capital. Okay. That is our first priority. If you don't feel like trading, if you're not confirmed, if you don't have confluence, then wait. It's better to wait. Let's trade tomorrow. No problem. Market is not going anywhere. And let's see who is the first donate, who is the first person to donate. Let's see who is the first person to donate. Let it be anything. Okay, let it be anything. Let it be 1 cent, let it be $1, let it be $10, anything. We are expecting price until this range. Okay, so why this range? So this is a simple 4-hour level. You can see this is a simple 4-hour level, breakout level. And again, level can be used as resistance. Okay, and also we have the weekly daily liquidity lying around in this range. After hitting this liquidity, so we can continue down, but still we have more room to go upside, but after breaking this. Okay, so if I show you the 4-hour, this is our low, retracement, and then again push. Okay, so again we are expecting retracement until the 50%, 60% magic level minimum, and then again a continuation. Okay, but this is very important. Price must break past this level, continue up. Okay, now we cannot sell from here directly. So already our trade is gone. Okay, so not a problem. So we come back tomorrow. Okay, traders. So I'm wrapping up this stream. So I'm going to end this stream now. So any doubts, any queries, so please let me know in the comment section. I'm here for 2 minutes. Done for the day. So tomorrow, very important trading day. So tomorrow I'll be revealing my entry technique. Okay, so where you can make profits with the lowest minimum capital. Okay, so you can compound your money 5x to 200x. Okay, so within few trades, that is the catch. Okay, so within few trades, within 1 to 5 trades. Okay, so how you can compound your money 200x. If you are interested, so make sure you join our Telegram channel and tomorrow be active in the London session. Okay, so if I'm active in the Asian session, so I'll let you know in the Telegram channel. I'll catch you tomorrow. Okay, till then.